Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I have for you my update for my project pan for this year, and we actually have more than half of the things rolling out, so let's just get into it. As I usually do it, I will show you how it's gone with my products according to how they were rolled into the project. So we're gonna start with an Inglot 397 eyeshadow, which I reached my goal on it. If you watched my videos before, this had like 67 uses on it. It was like in it for the long haul or something like that. And that's this shadow right here. Also, if I have comparison photos from previous month, they will be on the screen. It's not for all of the products, so for some you will see it. So yeah, I only had I think like 6 uses left on this one. But now I'm glad it's kind of done, because I've used this for the past, well, couple of months and I have enough of it. So this will be definitely rolling out. Let's check what's next on my list. I'm just checking my phone. Bubbles at Home Sweet Vanilla Body Butter, which I had 15 uses on, and I managed to do it 8 times, which means I still need to do it for 7 times before I can roll it out. And it's quite warm, like, you know, we're in the summer and then we have some hot days. And body butter is very thick, and it's not my favorite to put on when it's like really warm. But I used quite a bit of it, you can tell. And I'm happy about it because I don't want it to go bad on me. Still smells fine, and I use it mainly like after shaving, for example, or if my legs were kind of itchy. So 7 uses will be done? I highly doubt it. But it will definitely get me closer to finishing up this product. So 7 more uses on this one. Then we have a Wycon lip liner 01 Rosa, and I had to use it 6 times. I used it 5. And I'm basically gonna roll it out. I will need it one more time at some point, but I don't want to keep it in my project pan just for one more use for like a whole month. I think that's just kind of stupid. So I had to sharpen it, but also the sharpening, you might see it's going uneven. So it's kind of, you have to watch out so you don't scratch your lips with the wooden part. So I think I'll use it one more time and I might toss it. I'm not sure yet, but I have it on my lips right now. It's a nice color, but it's also like by itself a bit dry, and I don't know if I want to do like lip liner or lipstick or whatever. It's not really, I don't wear that much lip products in general, but I'm gonna roll this one out. Then we have Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and the lines are kind of where, well, they worn off, but I think we were like here, then here, and then here somewhere last time. I was thinking maybe I could be done with it by now, but it's just not my favorite. And I'm mixing it with my Catrice True Skin in a darker shade actually. So that is kind of working for me, and that's how I'm going to use this one up. But I will not repurchase it. Like, I'm done trying to make this work for me. It's just not my favorite. My Catrice True Skin is a lot better, so I'll pick it up because it is still staying in the project. Then we have Ecotera Loose Powder. Why am I dropping everything? Ecotera Loose Powder. The goal is to use it up, and you can barely tell there's anything left. It's like a little bit at the bottom, you can see it's moving. I'm also gonna count it as a rollout for now, already, just because I know it's gonna be like a couple of days of usage. I also don't know how easy I can get the rest out of it, so I'm gonna call it done. Of course I will still use it up, but I will not be updating anymore on this product in Project Pan updates, basically. Not my favorite, still have one more as a backup because I thought I loved it, but then I found a different one, so you know, I need to stop buying backups. Well, yeah, need to stop buying backups basically. And then we have Golden Rose Highlighter Trio. I had 13 more uses on this, which was very easy to do. It's my favorite highlighters. It's like a trio. Now they're actually finally being flattened out. It's been taking me years to get to this point. And I've been trying to focus on the pink one and this one by mixing them, because I normally reach for this one the most. But it's rolling out. I love this palette. And then of things that were added last month. Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in 02 Hot Chocolate. My goal was 5 uses. I only did, well, use it once. I'm just not an eyeliner person and I need to acknowledge that and not buy them, which I think that's the only one I have in my collection. Except like now I bought like a black one with like a tip that you can actually do like a winged liner, which I haven't tried yet because I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. I use it once, it's a twist up, you will not see a difference. So 4 more uses on this one. Then the Makeup Obsession Daydreamer palette. So I had a color random color generator, which kind of looked like this color here. My goal was to use this one 3 times, I think, and the whole palette 8 times at least, like, you know, when I use other shades, which I did that. It was not too difficult, but the shades are not special, like it's not that great of a quality, so yeah, it also wasn't that expensive, which I bought it mainly actually for this shade to try it. Now I have, where's my voice going? But yeah, I'm gonna roll this out. I used it the amount I needed to reach my goal, and that's gonna be it for this palette. And the last product to update you on is my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation 110 Porcelain. Goal is to use this one up. I can't like shine a light through it to see where I am, but I can feel it that there is not that much left. I do have to like shake it down a bit when I want to use it. So it might be that it's done by next update. If not, in 2 months it's definitely gonna be empty, which I'm also very happy about. I don't think I would repurchase it. I think I'm good for now. I had like 3 of these in total in my life, so I think it's time to try something different. But yeah, it's a good foundation in general. So yeah, we only have 4 items that are staying, and the rest is going to be rolling out, which means I need to roll 5 new products in. I have my own list that I made at some point. Okay, my battery died, I think, but let's hope this one is full enough to finish it. But I was about to roll in 5 new products, which is the most I've rolled in so far. I have my Pretty Random app. Normally it shouldn't, should prevent rerolls, it should remember, but let's see. From 1 to 41, I'll also be cross-checking with my list to make sure it hasn't been rolled in before. So let's do that. 5 new ones. 35. Let's check if it's not in. It's already in. It's a powder, so we can't do this. 4. Blush. Alright, that's the first one. I'll take screenshots so I don't forget. 41, which is Wild Card. Pick anything. Alrighty. 16, Gifted. That's gonna be tricky, I think. 20, Highlight is already in. How many do I have? Need to check quickly. We have 2 so far only, or what? I know, 16 Gifted, okay, yeah. 3, so 2 more. What was 20? 20 was already in. Okay, so I need 2 more. 1 is a previous fave. And 1 more. That's 1 again. I think it's stuck. Okay, prevent rerolls. Okay, now it's gonna be okay, but it also might re-roll the things we already have in. 26 liquid, it's already in. This might take a while. 1, 28. Matte, it was also already in. 41, we just had it, no? Yeah, we did. Wild card. 24. Least expensive. Okay, and I think that's the 5 I needed. Yeah, I have my 5. Okay, so I will now look into my collection and I will come back with the 5 products that we have rolled in. So I'll see you in a sec. Alright, I am back with the products I have chosen. It was not easy, to be honest, but let me have a look at my list. And first one was blush. For that I chose this Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade 30 Rose Me Up. And my goal is to use this one, what did I write for myself? 15 times. And I don't really wear blush, so it's gonna be more as an eyeshadow for me. So that's probably how I'm gonna use it up. Well, use it. But yeah, that's the first product. Then 41 was a wild card. For that I thought, as I'm rolling out the highlighter, to probably roll in a new one. And I chose this one from Paese. It's just the shade is Light Glow. And how much did I say? And my goal is to do 20 times, which should be, well, really attainable, as I'm gonna be using this one alone throughout the month, I think. So that's the next one. Next one was Gifted, and to be honest, I think this is the only thing I was like gifted, which was still my boyfriend said that I can get a MAC lipstick, and I chose my shade basically. And I went for the Velvet Teddy. I think it might have been in the project already, but I thought it's a good way to bring it back and make myself use it a bit more. My goal is 15 uses for this one. I would love to use it up before it goes bad. Still smells okay. It was nice to have a MAC lipstick, but I just realized that I am not enough of a lipstick wearer to spend my money on these basically. So yeah, 15 uses on this one. For number 1, a previous fave, I have this Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm, basically. But this used to be my favorite for like daily use. I think I used one of these up. As you can see, this one is, well, brand new, to be honest. So I have for myself, I think 30 uses on this one. So I will try to use it a bit more. One use done. So yeah, I will try to use this quite a bit the next couple of months. And then for the least expensive category, I think maybe the Essence eyeliner could have been the least expensive. That's already in the project. So I went for this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow in the color Nutty. It's a very interesting color because it's like, it looks kind of grayish. It has a very warm brown base. So I will be using this one, and I think I said to myself 10 times. Let me check. Yeah, my goal for this one is 10 times, so we'll see. Like, to work I don't wear any dark eyeshadow, so we'll see if I can wear it to work. If not, it's gonna have to be for the weekends, and then it's gonna take me a while. So yeah. Alright, so that's it for my Project Pan update. I'm still waiting for a partner choice. Like, there's one prompt that says partner choice, and I always try to film with my partner around just in case, and I never get the prompt. So there's that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little update. I'm excited because it's a big refresh of my selection. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!